Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a cringe YouTube video. That embarrassing YouTube video you want no one else to see. So let's get straight into it. So first, let's go to YouTube. We click over here. Then we're going to go down to YouTube Studio. Yeah. So now we're going to wait for YouTube Studio to show up. Boom. We're in our channel dashboard. In your channel dashboard, you can see how your channel has been doing in the last few days. By the way, this is my entertainment account where I basically shut up TBD, I don't want to work with you guys, get off my screen. Sorry about that. So basically, I haven't posted in a while, but yeah, we're still getting a couple of videos reviews, one new subscriber. Basically, yeah, we're still getting a couple of views even though I haven't posted content here in a while. So now we're going to go to content. So the main page when you open your YouTube studio is going to be the dashboard. So you go to content. Then from content, we're just going to, let's look for a video you want to download. Let me see. So I'm going to pick this one, 38 views over here. So you just select it and then you click more actions. Now, more actions, now you have download and delete forever. If I click delete forever, then you get this prompt. I understand that deleting is permanent, I can't be undone. Then you delete forever. I don't want to delete this, so I'm just going to use it to show you guys that how you can do it. So that's basically how it's done. So if you want another tutorial on basically YouTube stuff, let me know. Thanks. See you later. And subscribe for more. We talk about content strategy, and how you can get more views and use those views to make more money for your business. We talk about here at K Digital. So if you're interested in that, subscribe. And there's a link below if you want to work with us. Check it out. See you later.